Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. If you are using rumble.com to upload your videos in order to get them monetized, it might have happened that after uploading, this monetized was not monetized, but probably was also ads free, meaning that on your video, no ads will be shown. When I started my journey on Rumble, I started uploading a lot of different videos. Not all of them were mine, all right, but I don't think that's the problem. However, a lot of those videos started to getting ads free, not being monetized, meaning that no matter how many views I got, I wouldn't get paid for those videos. So I sent an email to support asking about that, and they basically said that no advertiser was interested in advertising on your videos, but they didn't give me a detailed explanation on why was that. However, that was a test for me to see how long it took to get monetized and whatever. But I think that if you upload your own content, your genuine content, your own video, and the most important, if you choose the right option out of four options that Rumble has when you upload your video, then you can rest assured that your video will get monetized 100%. And as you can see here, down here on the screen, you can see all the pages here. These are all my videos and all of them are monetized except for those that I was testing at the beginning. However, if you want to upload videos on Rumble, get them monetized without any subscribers or zero watch hours since the beginning within 24 hours, then check this video on the screen where I show you step by step how to upload a video on Rumble and how to choose the right option. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and I'll see you in there. Cheers.